Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I am so happy to be back. I was on vacation for about 12 days. Not that I didn't have a great vacation, much needed. I missed doing my art and I miss painting. So while I was away, I got some new paints in the mail. It was like Christmas morning. I came home with all these boxes. So I'm going to be using some new paints. A lot of Modern Masters. I got one surprise paint. I got some Art Minds. Yeah, so a lot of some different colors. I'm excited to give it a whirl. So I'm going to be doing a pearl pour today. Try to get that. So my paints are mixed to the thin consistency. I will have the recipe that I use in my description box so you guys can see. Let's go through some colors real quickly. I have now some of these colors I had mixed previously. I just added to them. So this is a Prussian blue, and it was the Grumbacher Academy. And I believe I had some iridescent medium in this one, but you can see how thin the paints are. Actually, might need, oh, it's good. So that was that. So I'm going to try to get rid of some of these paints that I had. The next one I'm going to use is this. And this is new. My Deco Arts Bright Metallic. And this is Garnet by Deco Art. So we have that. Next, this was another mixture. I believe this is the Pearl Turquoise by Arteza. This is another one that I'm trying to use up, so I'm going to use that. I have golden, and this is Jenkins Green, and I mixed in with my Jenkins Green a little of the Prussian blue, just to give it a little bit more of like a turquoisey, deep turquoise look. Okay, I have that. What else do I have? I have this Color Shift, and this is Blue Flash by Modern Masters. So we're going to use a little of that. I have some Modern Masters Gold Rush. Had that one already mixed up, so I didn't mix any new one of that one. I have this one, and this is, I'm not really sure exactly what this is. I believe it was pewter and a Color Shift blue that I had mixed. But I just want to use that up. I think it would look good with my color palette. This one is an Art Minds. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or not yet. But this one is the Indigo Blue by Art Minds. And these were all on sale at Michael's. So I grabbed a bunch of them that was left. This one needs more water. What else do I have? Oh, this one. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. It is the Modern Masters Satin Finish Black Cherry. Look how pretty that is. All right. So you can see all my paints, at least most of them, are thin. I might have to add water to a couple of them. I didn't do a very good job. So, and then I have the Cloud Over mixture I'm going to use. I have this one that I can't wait to use as a base coat. Look how big, look at these big jars. So these are, I got these off of Amazon. And this is the Modern Masters, but it's the big quart. And this is called Shimmering Sky. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's like a gray blue shimmer. So this is going to be a base coat eventually. I just wanted to use it as a little cloud over mixture today, which is the part satin enamel, part house paint. So that's why it's lighter, because there's a white house paint in there. Okay. So that is pretty much, oh, and I did add in a little of this milk paint that I got. And it's pink dogwood. I just added that, just a squirt into that, just to see what would happen. Can't find these anywhere anymore. The Folk Art milk paints. I guess they discontinued them, but I found one on Amazon. Alrighty, so I'm going to get my space ready. I'm working on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And yeah, just going to see what happens, all right? All right, I'll be right back.
I know I made mistakes.